Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, about the many steps which the ministry has taken to improve the foreign trade, mention of one would be enough to show that they are keen on foreign trade. The import of raw materials on a substantial scale is a very good thing, and they have decided to create a bank of raw materials in the country from which the exporters may draw. This is a welcome feature, and I think this scheme would be used in a proper way so that the real benefits may come to the country. We are talking about estate trading in many respects, and the government says that they are trying their best to bring in many commodities for estate trading. This is a very welcome feature, but before they go on increasing the ambit of estate trading, they should see that the present commitment so far as estate trading is concerned is properly kept in view and implemented. I see that what is regarded as estate trading is not really estate trading. What the STC does is just to contact some private exporters who have orders from foreign countries, charge 1% commission, and allow them to export. This is not estate trading in any sense unless you want to juggle in more and more commodities under the STC, but this is hardly the true concept that we have of the STC doing export business. So, a very thorough probe has to be undertaken of the practice the STC and MMTC as well as other bodies follow in regard to foreign trade so that they do not act in collusion with the private sector, that there is genuine estate trading, and all the good that can result from estate trading should really come, and they should not act as mere agents of the private sector by charging 1% commission. This is a serious matter because we are committed to bring in more and more commodities in estate trading. But the present performance of the STC and other bodies is most unsatisfactory, and unless that performance is improved, it is no use are talking about estate trading in a big way. So I hope some attention would be paid to this. About the textile industry, it is one of the industries that this ministry is concerned with. It is a very old industry, but an industry which is now languishing. There are various causes for this, and the attempts the government is making to resuscitate the industry are very praiseworthy, but they are most inadequate. Here again, one cannot but blame the private sector for the misery of this industry. This old, well established industry was allowed to run down. No replenishment was done, no modernization was effected, but all the profits out of this industry was sucked and invested in other sectors. This is the position now because of the past practice of the private sector. Stop. Thank you.